Hi guys, my name is Saloni and welcome to my channel. So my name is Saloni, I'm 17 years old, I just got done with my 12th. I have shared my whole story on why I wanted to start this YouTube channel and just stuff about me later in this video, so continue watching. I just wanted to vlog. I think I'm gonna start my YouTube channel with something like really random and just like going with the flow because I've been thinking about this since a while. I always wanted to do it, but don't judge me when I say that because I think everybody thinks of it. But I'm just gonna vlog my day because I'm meeting a old school friend and I'm just gonna have a lot of fun with her. But I'm already in my outfit. I am gonna get ready, like hair and stuff. Yeah, shit. Alright, okay, I'm gonna get ready and not be awkward. I'm gonna straighten my hair a little bit. Dude, I keep getting interrupted. Okay, I'm gonna straighten my hair. Okay, what was I saying? I was saying that I'm just gonna vlog whatever footage I get with my friends because I'm done with 12th, so I think I'm gonna chill for a little bit and obviously meet people, which I did not do in the last 2 years. Why, you ask? Because I was a NEET aspirant, by the way. Yeah, that's all my life has been since 2 years. But I have given my NEET and I don't want to talk about it right now. I think May is just to chill and think about stuff. So I'm not gonna say anything about it and just have fun, at least in this month. So I'm meeting a school friend, as I told you. I met her in 5th grade on the first day. Like, I entered my class and it was the same school but it was a different branch. So till 4th standard we had the same school but it was like near to my home. But then from 5th grade we had it like 1 hour away, so basically a different branch, and so there were new people obviously. And I went into the classroom and I think I was late or something, but I saw her. Like hers was the only bench that was empty, so I was like, can I sit? Like, and then she was like, yeah. So we became friends in 5th grade. There was such a not interesting story, but she is a very interesting person. And the last time I met her was in August of last year for her birthday. We could have met for my birthday, my 17th birthday, but I didn't really celebrate it because my birthday comes in December and NEET was in like, I don't know, a few months. So I didn't celebrate my birthday. I was just actually had a test the next day because my birthday came on Saturday and I had a test on Sunday. I'm gonna edit this and feel like I'm like, what am I saying? But no, Saloni, you have to post and not overthink so much. I think that's what I've been doing. My 10th grade was when I thought about this idea in 8th grade, and then I remember asking my best friend, not Ananya, she was in my bus. I think you'll also meet her in this video. So I remember asking her, should we like make a YouTube channel of both us, like best friends together? She totally like, what is she talking about? She was like really, she just rejected basically. But then lockdown happened, I think after 8th grade, and then I was at home, and I think a whole year I've just spent literally watching stuff because that's when I got introduced to Netflix. Before that 8th grade I didn't really watch Netflix. In 9th grade I've literally done nothing, like no study. But then in 10th grade I got really serious And then I was like, so I had the idea of doing YouTube in 10th grade, but then I was like bored there. And then I think the main reason, it's a really funny reason, but I was like, I had braces. So I was like, I don't want to shoot myself with braces on. And then I got my braces off, and I have a little intro. I had filmed like an intro of me. This is me getting my braces off video, but I obviously never posted it. So I didn't even start my YouTube then. And then came 11th grade when I chose NEET as something I wanted to do, and I joined coaching. Then stuff got very serious, so there was like no way. I'm doing it now after NEET, but things have definitely not gone the way I wanted, like NEET and stuff. I remember being very serious about it, but actually I don't think I should jump in that topic because that's like a different story, and this is such a fun video that is not related to it. By the way, I'm like planning to take this huge camera with me. This is the Canon EOS 200D. It's a pretty huge camera. And if my best friend sees this, I've obviously told Ananya that this is something I've wanted to do, and I was so excited to do it after NEET, but then NEET didn't go the way I planned, so I'm still here doing this. But she's probably going to be surprised because I haven't told her that I'm vlogging this. So I mean, I myself didn't know that I'm doing this right now, today, like literally today. But I just thought, like, I've been thinking about this so much, and I just never start stuff, Just think about it a lot. Editing, this is going to be fun. Okay, editing is something I've always been interested in. A funny thing is, I've always loved the idea of like video editing. I would like edit my mom and dad's like birthday, anniversary videos. I would like all the picture and stuff. Talking about and I would edit that on either like iMovie, or they're pretty good like free apps, but I would use mobile apps. But then I started looking for softwares which are like professional. So I saw this one software called DaVinci Resolve, and it's totally free, and it's like almost like Final Cut Pro, which is a very extensive like Apple software. I don't know what to call it, but it's on MacBooks and iMacs, and you obviously pay a huge amount for it. I started editing on it and learning how to, but every time I do something I just forget the steps. So I think editing I really enjoy and I want to learn. That's the conclusion, that I really love editing and I want to learn how to do it very nicely. It's probably gonna happen when I edit this video, my first video. Yeah, I think while posting this also I'm gonna have self-doubt and like think so much of other people, but whatever, I think I just want to post it at this point. Okay, so the plan for today, which is more interesting than my other talks, that we are gonna go to an Asian restaurant and try sushi and like ramen and stuff. After the Asian food, for dessert we're gonna go to this different cafe which is called Tales and Spirit, and it has a really cool ambience, like very Instagrammable. So we're gonna go there and have dessert. We're just gonna go there for dessert because it's like a 3-minute ride, so we'll probably take an auto and just go there for dessert and pictures. Yeah, do that guys if you want to just see and take photos in the place. Okay, I'm done with my hair, so I'm gonna do my makeup now. This is definitely very multitasking, which I'm not good at. I'm gonna use this. Focus. Yeah, this is the shade if you are interested, but I would very less. Just on dark spots and then a little bit here. Didn't wake up thinking that yeah, I'm gonna start vlogging today. So this is so random, but I think that's how it should be at this point because I've thought about it so much. I just want it to happen. I think multitasking is bad. Anyway, this powder. This feels very weird. What else? Because I'm vlogging, I'm like, I have forgotten what I do. Okay, lip balm. This Vaseline bottle is so hard to open. This Zudio thing, I bought this cheeky blush tint, cheeky flush. It looks very cute, so it's nice. I think I should just put it. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, what do I do? I look so funny with tied hair. My favorite step, my favorite ever step. I need to find something. Oh, was literally behind the camera. Eyelash curler is my favorite thing. I'm trying so hard to not keep my mouth open. I'm gonna put the cheek flush on my lips. Okay, I'm also gonna put this lipstick because I feel like it's less pink. I was struggling so hard to find a place to where to keep my camera, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this pink top because Ananya said that there's something pink. So I have a white t-shirt underneath and this top. I'm just gonna climb on my bed, literally. This is the I'm wearing these jeans. It looks like you're wearing two jeans, but it's just one. And they're super cool. And they are like flared. This is so funny. But at least you know what I'm wearing. And this top is from Urbanic. Jeans are also from Urbanic. But this is what first option. It has a little pink in it. But I really want to wear these because they are these. They are so cute, and I've worn these like all week last week, so they're a little dirty, but I don't care. I just want to wear them even though they don't go with my outfit. I just want to wear them. Okay, my shoes are on, but I forgot one thing, which is perfume. So I'm gonna put it and film me spraying perfume on. Yeah, I put it like everywhere. This is the bag. I actually have 25 minutes to go. See you when I'm with Ananya. Hi!
कैमरा लेके आई है ब्लॉक कर रही है I'm seeing her after 7 months ये मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये ब्लॉक कर रही है पहली चीज इसके
This is Ananya. Don't.
she is very shy okay sorry
This is Ananya. We met in school in 5th grade.
अब कैसे मिले बता मैंने वो बता दिया है थोड़ा बट तेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बता हम कैसे मिले मैंने तेरे बुक्स का कवर निकाला था इतना मुझे याद है क्या गलत कवर ले आए थे ये नहीं याद मुझे ये मुझे याद है क्योंकि मैंने निकाले थे कवर क्या हाँ मैं कवर क्या? हाँ लाइक गलत कैसे लगा सकती हूँ? नहीं नहीं मैं डिलीट कर दूंगी। हाँ लाइक स्कूल में वो नया रूल आया था कि ऐसे कवर लगाने, तो अपन ने मैंने स्टील की स्केल से निकाली।
ओह वाह, मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं था। मुझे बस याद था कि मैं आई और इसका ही बेंच खाली था तो मैं बैठ गई।
लाइक अपन ने फिर वाइप करना स्टार्ट किया, फिर धीरे धीरे हमारी एक छुटकुशी दोस्त है,
हाँ वो नहीं आ सकती यार। Name of this place is Asian Bistro and Steam. Steam and more. Asian Bistro Steam and more.
area.
They have served us kimchi, so I'm excited to try. And what is this?
Jasmine tea.
Okay, we'll try. चलो try करते हैं. Give them a review.
लाइट लगा दो।
I'm scared.
बैटरी चलोनी।
मैंने की थी चार्ज.
अच्छा है देखो।
अब वो फ्रेम में भी नहीं है तो रहेगा कैसे? बाद में बताऊंगी कैसी है. Shy. वैसे we have ordered.
Why?
We have ordered ramen and dim sum.
Sushi. American.
हाँ, we have ordered sushi and ramen. Camera battery is dying. This is shameful. Okay, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try the jasmine tea. Try.
पहले आप नाम करें। हम आपका रिएक्शन देख के
शुगर नहीं है.
जैस्मिन टी में वहाँ शुगर नहीं होता है। ठीक है तो ट्राई कर।
मैं फोन से कर रही हूँ.
Cheers guys। ऐसा भी लग रहा है पानी में फूलों को उबाला है। ऑयल का तरह।
मैंने
बट हाँ
नहीं, अपन बोले थे तुम स्टोरी
कैसे क्या बताया
कि तेरा टेबल खाली था तो मैं बैठ गई आके.
हाँ
सब बेंच खाली था तो मैं आ गई.
हाँ ऐसे मासूम से बच्ची बन के बैठी उनकी बात सुनो ना।
अच्छा तू, मुझे लगा मैं को बोल रही है. नहीं,
मेरे को तो सीधी नहीं है ये मासूम, एक तो सीधी नहीं,
ये बीच में ही है.
ठीक।
हाँ बट हम 5th स्टैंडर्ड से हैं और हमारा 12th हो गया है अभी तो वाओ.
इसकी वजह से थक भी चुके हैं मेरे स्टिल ऑन।
एक्चुअली मैंने बताया है कि ब्रेसेस एक रीजन था क्योंकि मैंने यूट्यूब चालू नहीं किया क्योंकि मेरे ब्रेसेस निकलने के थे.
मेरे स्टिल ऑन है तभी तुमसे कैप्चर।
हाँ तो मेरे इसके 6-8 साल से निकले ही.
सेकंड टाइम लगे पहला वाला डॉक्टर ना बहुत ऐसा था, उसने क्या स्टेम किया हमारे साथ।
डॉक्टर का नाम भी बोल दे.
नहीं बोलना नहीं
मजा ही नहीं बना.
बस इतना तो उसका हॉस्पिटल बंद हो गई तो वहाँ नहीं जाना।
Our sushi is here. It's so fast. Looks good. This is fusion American roll. Okay, we're gonna try it with chopsticks. I know how to use. I'm so scared. Okay. वो ये पूरा डालना पड़ेगा.
अभी 6 यूज करना नहीं है तो तुम्हें कैसा है?
Nice, nice.
The seaweed paper is a little
Different. मुझे पहली बार ट्राई किया ना, but it's nice. I like it. I like sushi. अभी अनन्या ट्राई करेगी. She's gonna try it with fork, but it's okay. Like.
dipped in soya sauce. It's like, look at this soya sauce bottle. It's so like authentic, very sweet. Try jaldi.
पूरा swallow करने में ही
बहुत टाइम लग रहा है.
this is so big, but it looks good. And very different mushroom, black from this mushroom was very weird.
Why?
Chewy.
It's what you
No, I read the other one,
from.
black one. I'm so sorry. Zucchini. The
This Angrez.
Okay, I wanted to tell Ananya surprise.
हाँ. इसके लिए हम मिले हैं ये बताने के लिए और ये मुझे सबसे खुश लगी है. तो the surprise is that I'm shifting to Pune. It's not a joke. क्यों कैसे कब?
ये मैं बताती हूँ उसको कब. बस उसका रिएक्शन दिया था.
Curse on my video.
Okay.
I'll miss you. Okay, we are out of the restaurant and we're gonna walk to another one just for eating sweet, just for dessert. We are walking. It's a 15-minute walk, right? Do you not know? It's a 15-minute walk and it's so windy. It's fantastic, guys. It's a fantastic weather for two-wheeler. I just hit myself. Accident. This feels so good. Free from life, difficult life. People are watching us. It's not weird actually. I feel fine doing this. Saloni is extrovert. इतना सोच लिया यूट्यूबर बनने के बारे में. I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. Saloni is getting married. Say what? No. I hope it doesn't rain. It will, and it will be so bad. I hope it doesn't rain. I hope because I hate rain. I love rain. I love rain. And I'm moving to a city which only rains. So we'll go to the restaurant and then meet you guys. Bye. Bye. क्या करना पड़ेगा? पंच करना है. क्रश कर. कैसे? वेट मैं करती हूँ. हाँ. वो. What? It matches with the outfit. Yes. Let's try. This is rose dress ledges. Looks extravagant. Fancy. Too fancy. We are fancy. Let's try. Oh, it looks so beautiful. We don't want to eat it. Cheers. Wow. Not a rose fan. Yeah. That's why she likes it. It's nice. There are rose petals, dipped in hydrogen.
Hydrogen, nitrogen, whatever.
I'm wasted. दिखा.
Okay, so I'm back home. We almost spent more than 5 hours. Right now, I'm probably gonna take a shower. To the other cafe that we went to was so cute, and we did order desserts first because we went there to buy dessert. We went there to get dessert, but we also ended up ordering some tacos. Okay. When you're just meeting people from school, I feel like it just feels like you don't even know how time passes by. Like it had been 5 hours and I still felt like, oh, there's so much to talk about more. So it was really fun. So it's 2 days after, and I'm filming the intro and outro of this video 2 days after. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a fun day. I will come up with a new video very soon, so stay tuned, and also subscribe to the channel and like this video. I know a lot of people watching this are going to be friends and family, so I love you guys. Please subscribe and like this video as well, and comment down below if you think I did good or not. I'll see you guys later with another video very soon. So bye for now.